Hey, what is going on, guys? BoostedWhipz here. If you guys been following my Instagram, you guys already know that I got a new ride. So I just wanted to give my last farewells here. Turning in the car today, so I put it back to stock. I was able to acquire some touring wheels, some stock brakes, and anything that you see here is just staying just because I couldn't acquire any of the stock. So the spoiler, the tail lights, and the reflector LEDs, those are staying. Everything else is pretty much gone. So just wanted to share this with you guys and thank every single person that has followed me on this journey, on this build, and now we're on to a new build. So if you're following me on Instagram, I already did a reveal there. I have a Genesis G70 3.3 launch edition 2022. So we're gonna go ahead and start building that one. So I hope that everyone can continue following the builds that I go along on my channel. So that is it, guys. So this is the last final thing. I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys with a nice little cinematic. It's kind of like my goodbye video that I linked up with Tony Graffi, which is my photographer. Definitely follow him on at Instagram at tony.graffi. So I'll leave you guys with this nice little ending cinematic, and thanks again, guys. Until next time, BoostedWhipz, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.